Hi, you are welcome to my channel, the Poultry TV. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please look for the subscription button up there, tap subscribe. Once you get subscribed, tap the notification bell so that you get notified once any of my interesting video like this particular one you're going to watch now is released. The network will notify you immediately the video is uploaded. You'll be among the first beneficiaries of the video. Please drop your comment on the comment section. Ask questions where you feel that you need an answer. Drop every questions you have on the comment section. I will answer your questions. A video like this needs too many questions. You need to ask and I will answer them. Share the video at the end. Give it a thumb up so that the network can recommend it to other farmers. Let us not keep this knowledge alone. Let's share this knowledge to others. Thank you. Let's go into the main topic of today. This topic is maximizing broiler chicken growth. 10 essential tips for 6 kg in 8 weeks. 10 secrets to achieve the weight of 6 kg of broiler in 8 weeks. If you are a broiler farmer in any part of the globe and you have not been able to achieve an average weight of 6 kg in 8 weeks, it may look like a dream. It may look unrealizable. It may look like a fiction, but it is very possible and simple. Don't mind what other farmers are telling you, that it is not possible. When you see a posture of a bird on top of a scale posted in any social media platform, 6 kg, 7 kg, 8 kg, you will see comments. It is scam. This is scam. You call it a scam because you cannot achieve it or you have never achieved it before. But if you have been getting something better than that, you can never call it a scam. If you are any farmer, you're a farmer in any part of the globe and you are watching this video, I want to tell you that it is very possible. You can even get better result than that if you apply all these 10 tips, these 10 secrets I'm going to give you. You are welcome to the Poultry TV. This is a global forum for all farmers. If you are a farmer in any part of the globe and you have not belonged to this family, you know the right button to press to be a member of this family. At the end of this video, please share this video to other farmers. Let this video get to other farmers. This will enable them to believe, to practice it and believe that it is realizable. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 secrets, tips that will apply and achieve a result even better than 6 kg in 8 weeks. Number 1, go for the better breed. Go for a special breed. Go for the better breed. Every breed of broiler is good. We have different breeds of broiler. If you have not watched my video on the breeds of broiler, look for it now. It is there. Go and watch it. In Nigeria alone, we have 10 breeds of broilers. We have more than 80 hatcheries in Nigeria, 80 recognized hatcheries in Nigeria. And we have more than 10 breeds of broilers. So the breed of broiler Mr. A farms is different from the one Mr. B farms. Each hatchery have their own specific parent stock. If you're going for a particular breed of broiler, make sure it is the one that will give you the result you need. Secondly, high quality broiler feed. If you are a broiler farmer, you should understand that broiler needs shorter period of time. It's not like cockerel, broiler or layers that have longer period of time to grow. Broiler production is between 5 weeks to 8 weeks. Though some farmers rear broiler more than 8 weeks. But for you to make a very good profit, don't exceed 8 weeks. Go for a very good feed. If you are not producing your own feed by yourself, you hardly achieve this result I'm giving you now. You hardly achieve that 8 kg with market feed. Go for a very good quality feed. Make your own feed by yourself. Use a very good feed formula that will give you a standard ration. When your broilers eat a very good ration, they will grow. They will convert this feed to meat and you get the maximum weight you need. Number 2 is consistent feeding schedule. Make sure you have a very feeding pattern for your birds. It's not feeding them any or scantily. Anytime you want, anytime you feel that you don't have anything doing, you go and feed them. If you are feeding your broilers in the morning time, that is maybe 8 a.m., let it be continuous. Use that period of time and feed them. Always feed them at a scheduled time. If you start with 7 a.m. in the morning, maybe you are feeding them 2 or 3 times in a day. Let that fix to that time, because at that time they are already hungry. They'll be waiting for you. If you feed them by 8 o'clock this week and changes to 10 o'clock next week, between that 2 hours, they will start machiating. They will start reducing the weight they have already gained. Remember that broiler can grow in less than 3 days and drop weight in less than 1 hour. So that is very important. So make sure you have a very fixed schedule of feeding. That will help you to achieve this particular weight, I'm telling you. Another one is good, clean, and fresh water. Broiler, unlike any other bird, need fresh water. They need adequate water. Their body temperature is very high, unlike other birds. They need adequate water to regulate their body temperature. If the body temperature is too high, they will hardly eat. And if they don't eat, they will hardly convert the feed. What are they converting when they have not eaten anything? You may be happy that your feed is still left on the trowel, but they are not gaining the weight. So adequate water, and it must be a clean water, will help them to eat always. So make sure that as you are feeding them, you give them water. It is even better you don't even have food. They don't have food than not having water. So water is very necessary. Let there be water 24/7. Change the water within 24 hours. Don't allow their water to exceed 24 hours. Always give them water. Make sure they have water and food. Feed them 24/7. It's very, very necessary for you to achieve this. The water helps them to control their body temperature. And that one is what? Temperature and ventilation. Broiler, unlike any other bird also, as I earlier said, have high fat. They have high fat in their body. This fat generates a lot of heat and increase their body temperature. What drops the body temperature is that adequate water. If you even have an ice block, put ice block in their water during the hot period of the time or the hot period of the day. It's very good. It's very conducive for them also. Another one is disease. Make sure you keep the environment neat, that disease will be difficult to attack them. If your broiler suffer any type of infection, let me hold my ear. If your broiler suffer any form of infection, even if it's within 1 week, you hardly achieve this size I'm telling you here. You hardly get this particular weight because they will drop. And before they pick up again, it will be very difficult. They are almost in the market. So don't allow your broiler to contract infection. Keep adequate and regular vaccination schedule. Make sure they are disease free. Another one is optimal light. Optimal light. Broiler needs light to eat. Broiler is not eating because they are not seeing food. You hardly feed broiler to the extent that they will see food and not eat. And the more they eat, they are not wasting the feed. They will convert that feed, especially if you have a very good breed. I'm not going to support any breed. All the breeds of broiler are good, depending on your purpose, depending on your location, depending on the season, and depending on your market demand. So I'm not going to side or give kudos or give advantage to any particular breed. so that you will not start rushing to that particular breed now. All the breeds of broilers are very good, but what matters is your maintenance, your management skill, your management ability. That's what matters. And the location where you reside. I've given you the breeds of broilers and where they are suited for. So go and watch that particular video. You will be able to know what I'm telling you here. And that optimal lighting means in the night you give them light. Don't allow broiler to sleep. Give them night at least up to 10 p.m. in the night. Give them light. If it is possible, give them dim light throughout the night. They will eat well. Once they see light, they will eat well. You are welcome back. The next one is the use of growth promoters. Learn how to make use of growth promoters like additives, supplements that are effectively and efficiently managed. It will help them to grow faster. It will help them to eat better and grow faster. Remember that what they are converting is the feed they eat. They convert it to meat. So when you give them those supplements and additives, it will help them to eat more and convert the feed into flesh. If you have not watched my content on organic broiler farming, go and watch the video. You have different growth promoters, locally made growth promoters that are also good in broiler farming. Number 8 is very good point: space and exercise. Broilers need a very good space because of their body temperature. Broilers need space because of their size. They need space to run around. The next one is cleanliness. Let their environment be clean and neat always so that they will not contact any infection. Once they contact infection, their growth will retard and they will hardly give you that adequate weight. The next one is the feeding program monitoring. Make sure you monitor their feeding process. Know the feed you give them, the time you give it to them, and when to change their feed. You start with super starter, it's very important. And make sure that during brooding period, give them the adequate feed they need, the good ration they need to move up within that first and second week of life. Then continue with the starter, then complete the journey with the finisher. Don't give them grower. Grower is not for broilers unless you want to rear the broiler for 10 weeks. But if it is within the period of 5 to 8 weeks, use super starter, starter, and finisher. That's all. If you find this video very interesting, please like the video, follow this page, share the content to other farmers. Please, that's the only thing you do for me. Share this video to get to other farmers. Thank you till I come with another interesting topic that's coming very soon. Watch out for it. Bye. I love you all.